once a villager picked up few words in English and memorized them, not exactly knowing the practical application of those words in the daily life, which is very interesting because these people, they does things only to get some respect from others, especially they themselves are so big fools that according to their understanding they want to be like famous, glorified among other people, considering them as fools. So now he picked up few words like as, no, very good, because he's a villager and other village people are not educated. So they started thinking him to be an educated person. Now one time there was a murder in the village and now the police caught him because those murderers made sure that the offense falls on this person. So this villager was brought near the jurisdiction, near the court, near the judge. And now when the judge is asking him, seeing him as a villager, in his local language, have you committed the crime? He was so scared, and then now he is using his foolish intelligence. And then he started thinking that if I tell him few words which I learned in English, I memorized in English, he would consider me as an educated person, and then he may consider that I'm not the criminal. So very confidently, without knowing the real purpose and the application of the word, he says to the judge, yes. Now the judge asks him, is anyone else involved in this crime? Very confidently he says, no. And finally the judge, he asks him saying, well, do you know the consequences? You will be put in prison. Now this person, he was thinking, I don't have anything to defend myself. Now the only word which he knows, he thought, let me use this word also, maybe I will be saved. And then he uses the word by answering, very good. As a result, he was put into the jail. Now, this current day also in every fields like devotional sector services, like we can see many people, they memorize few verses, few injunctions, few teachings, and like parrot in this way they remember everything, memorize everything. What happens as a result? Their position is also similar like those villagers who has memorized those words but not understanding the practical application, usage of those words. Such a kind of persons not only create disasters to themselves, as well as such a kind of persons, they create disasters to the society also. So we should be aware, we should be careful in the application of the words, in the application of the injunctions, the teachings of our ancestors, our Vedic wisdom, for the better spiritual, cultural and ethical upliftment of the individual. Thank you very much. Jai Radhe Shyam.
Radha Krishna Bal 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 Re Shaba